Hey! Today's wholesale tutorial is on back flushing your machine. It's pretty easy, I'll show you. Alright, so I've got my group handles and baskets soaking in some hot water with espresso cleaner over here. Then what I can do is brush around the inside of the group to make sure I get any leftover grinds and residue. Then I'll remove screw and shower screen. Which is very hot. Alright. Chuck the shower screen in your bucket and your screw to a little cup up here. Alright. Give the group a good wipe to make sure you get any remaining grinds and residue. Now I get my blind handle, my espresso cleaner, and I just want to use a really small amount, just a tiny little pinch. Engage your blind handle, press the first and the third button for a few seconds, and there we are, we're into back flushing mode. Now that the back flushing cycle is completed, what you want to do now is just remove your handle and check that the water's clean. Yep, the water's clean. If it's still dirty, just pop it back into the back flushing cycle again. So I'm happy with that. Put that away. What we can do now is put our shower screen and group screw back in, reassemble our group handles with our baskets, and we're good to go. See you next week for more wholesale tutorials.